Good afternoon. We are glad to present our research titled The Effect of Strategic Orientation and Business Model Innovation on Financial Performance, the case of Ikat Weaving SMEs in Bali. SMEs in Bali contribute significantly to economic growth and play an essential role in preserving and promoting local culture, primarily through the art of ikat weaving. Ikat weaving is an integral part of Balinese culture, possessing high artistic value and preserving traditional craft. It is important to support and promote this industry for the well-being of the Balinese community. The Bali provincial government support this industry by urging local government, private companies, and university members to wear clothes made from Balinese endek woven fabric every Tuesday. However, the active role of SME entrepreneurs in improving their competence is crucial in the face of globalization and fierce competition. The purpose of this study is to examine the impact of strategic orientation and business model innovation on financial performance in ikat weaving SMEs in Bali, Indonesia. The theory used in this study consists of resource-based theory, demonstrates that a company resource and capabilities are fundamental to achieving a competitive advantage and driving exceptional performance. Performance feedback theory highlights the dynamic nature of business strategy, suggesting that companies actively adjust their business model based on how well they perform against their goals or benchmark. The variables being studied in this research are financial performance is an essential measure for evaluating an organization's success. Strategic orientation can be divided into three components: market orientation, technology orientation, and entrepreneurial orientation. Market orientation refers to an organizational culture that drives entities to adopt new strategies for improving their performance. Technology orientation is a firm commitment to adapting and integrating new technology to enhance its operation, product, and services. Entrepreneurial orientation involves aggressively taking risks and pursuing new opportunities. And business modeling innovation involves creating new value through innovative approach such as developing new product, market diversification, and using new technology to improve operational efficiency. This research using a quantitative approach with some analysis tool using PLS. The population are owners or managers of the ikat weaving industry in Bali province, consisting of 51 SMEs. The sampling technique used is a census, which effectively incorporates all population members as research sample. The variables studied are strategic orientation as the independent variable, consists of market orientation, technological orientation, and entrepreneurial orientation. The dependent variable is financial performance, while the mediating variable is business model innovation. Data was collected using a well-structured questionnaire with a Likert scale from 1 to 5. The hypotheses in this research are: the first hypothesis, market orientation has a positive effect on financial performance. Second hypothesis, technology orientation has a positive effect on financial performance. The third hypothesis, entrepreneurial orientation has a positive effect on financial performance. The fourth hypothesis, business model innovation has a positive effect on financial performance. The fifth, sixth, and seventh hypothesis, business model innovation act as a mediator between market orientation, technology orientation, entrepreneurial orientation, and financial performance. The data that was successfully collected and could be further processed was 51 respondents or 100% of the respondents. The The data analysis was conducted using Smart PLS software, involving rigorous testing of the measurement model, comprehensive assessment of the structural model, and thorough evaluation of the hypothesis. The results of the measurement model test show that all measurement model tests have been fulfilled, and the data used is valid and reliable. Also, the result of structural model test shows that the determination for the financial performance construct is in strong category. Hypothesis testing was conducted using the t-statistic to examine both direct and indirect influences. The result, as presented in Table 1, shows that the first, second, third, and fourth hypotheses are accepted. The result of the indirect influences hypothesis, as presented in Table 2, shows that the first, the fifth, the sixth, and seventh hypotheses are accepted. A market orientation, technology-oriented approach, entrepreneurial orientation, and business model innovation play a crucial role in enhancing the financial performance of ikat weaving SMEs in Bali. The results showed that business model innovation completely mediates the relationship between strategic orientation and the financial performance of SMEs, with strategic orientation having a positive and significant influence on both variables. This research builds on existing studies related to the financial performance of SMEs, business model innovation, and strategic orientation. By understanding and implementing these four elements, SMEs can enhance their competitiveness and succeed in an increasingly competitive market. Therefore, Balinese ikat weaving artisan must continue to innovate and adapt to market changes to sustain and improve their financial performance in the future. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.